Suddenly, Paris stops breathing. Fire lights a mountain where no mountain should be. Thousands stare up in shock as one man, draped in strange blue and white, stands above them all. Nobody knows whether to cheer or tremble. A single question shivers through the masses. Is this a new king's coronation, or something far more perilous? Even his enemies can't look away. June 1794. Paris forced into their finest clothes, parading beneath the burning sun. Robespierre reveals his new faith, not for God, but for virtue itself. There is no choice. Attendance is commanded. Drummers thunder, banners scream their promise, liberty, equality, virtue. Yet behind those painted smiles, fear curls. Is all this celebration just a mask for dread? Robespierre's words crash down. We are remaking France herself. Rivals exchange quick, haunted glances. No one dares speak against him. Hope flares in some, but most only feel the threat. Paris has become a stage. Cardboard mountains, rivers that smell of glue, and soldiers hiding as flowers. Nothing feels real anymore. Anxiety seeps through the seams. Robespierre ascends, every step heavier than the last. Below, thousands watch, prophet or imposter. His climb feels like judgment. Even children sense danger in the air. A small child hands him flowers. He freezes, then forces a smile. The applause that follows is tight, nervous. No joy, just relief. It's not them in his sights. Priests and laborers whisper. Why now, in this heat and spectacle? Some find hope in his vision, but suspicion grows. What is he really after, and who will pay the price? The festival boils over, music deafening, flames rising. But behind the noise, whispers smolder hotter than any fire. Is Robespierre untouchable now, above the very laws he swore to serve? One radical growls, no king, no master, no gods. Suddenly, those closest to Robespierre begin to edge away, hearts pounding, plotting silently. The crowd senses the shift. He pleads for unity. Virtue binds this. The words sound brittle, echoing through silence. Hope is gone. Fear has taken its place. His grip is slipping. In days, quiet rumors turn venomous. Robespierre branded a tyrant by men who used to cheer him. Paranoia spreads like wildfire. The guillotine waits, its shadow looming over all. Soon, the mountain vanishes. Robespierre disappears in disgrace. The same festival that crowned him becomes his funeral pyre. All that's left is ash, accusation, and disbelief. The festival promised unity, but delivered only suspicion. Was it a miracle, or just a warning, reminding us how easily power can reshape what we believe and whom we trust? Does any of this sound familiar? When does pageantry become control? Who decides what a new nation should worship? History doesn't always stay in the past. History's strangest moments never end where you expect. Robespierre's last days turn from festival to funeral, his enemies waiting to strike. The true end is even more unbelievable. Want more hidden stories from the revolution? Follow for the next chapter and discover how belief can turn deadly. History's wildest twists are yet to come.